30 minutes, right? IT led from the front, of course.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It came in the last 30 minutes of trade, and the tradition continues in that sense. Although today is special because, I mean, we are at new highs on the Sensex and the Nifty bank. Sensex, of course, the bigger of the two. Bank Nifty, of course, was making newer highs even before. Let me just quickly try and wrap out things in terms of sectors and large stocks before we get into the broader markets, really. So we have IT, which is up about 3%. The index, that is, IT index up 3%. So big one, actually. I think a lot of contribution, a lot of participation coming through from IT names. And then it's banks. I mean, financial Nifty and those indices which did well. So between those two, I think you had bulk of the moves really coming through. Actually, I think you'll be able to see that in contribution. Between the HDFC twins, you had about 50-point move, 55-point index point contribution. Infosys single-handedly is 45 index points today. So that is 100 clean between three names, 100 points. Infosys, HDFC and HDFC Bank. And then you throw in Reliance and TCS, that is another 45 points or so. So it's concentrated, but the large gains sort of coming through in IT services and banks, and alone Reliance. I mean, if you want to kind of talk about that, but that's the bulk of the move in terms of large cap, Sreema.
The mid-cap index up 0.5%, so trailing the frontliners in terms of the percentage gains. The advanced decline ratio positive, 4 in the green for 3 in the red. Fino Payments was the big star, up 13%. PB Fintech rallying about 10%. IT stocks, very smart move, particularly towards the end of trade. So names like Redington higher in trade, L&T Infotech, Birlasoft, Persistent, all of them clocking in gains of close to about 5% odd. Apart from that, on the gaining side, BKG had a rally of close to about 10%, so now up 25-30% from its issue price of nearly 30%. A couple of these oil and gas names like GSPL, MRPL also up and about in trade. On the losing side, IOB came in for some profit booking along with that Central Bank, and Paytm was subdued. Paytm down 2.5% for the day, and it's now down 30% for this month. Well, with that, it's a wrap on the closing bell. It's been a very special day for our markets as the Sensex clocks in